In this video, I am going to explain bit conditional jump instructions. The first instruction we have is JCR address. JC stands for jump if carry is set. Okay. So what does it mean here? It is going to check the condition. Means here we can write a condition as C equal to 1. Jump if carry is set. It means that carry flag is equal to 1. Whenever the condition is true, the program control transfers to this relative address and executes the instructions from that memory location. So here, what is the address it is going to have? It is going to have PC as PC plus 2 plus relative address transfers to PC. Means program counter is going to have a new address. It is going to move to that particular address and it is going to execute the instructions from that memory location. Means before this particular instructions, if we get as carry flag as 0, so what happens when it executes these instructions? The condition is false. Whenever the condition is false, the program control doesn't jump to this address. It executes the instructions whatever is present after this instruction. Okay, so it means that jump if carry flag is set to 1. If the condition is true, the program control transfers to this address and executes the instructions from that memory location. And if the condition is false, it executes the next instructions of JCR address. The second instruction we have is JNC relative address. It means carry flag is equal to 0. So what happens here? It is going to check here. If the condition is true, what is JNC stands for? Jump if no carry. It means carry is equal to 0. So what happens whenever the program control executes these instructions and whenever it finds that carry is equal to 0, then what happens? It is going to jump to this relative address and executes the instructions from that memory location. If the condition is false, it executes the next instruction in sequence. Similarly, what is the third one? JB B, relative address. What does it mean? It means that jump if bit is set. Means here B is equal to 1. All these are the bits. Okay, we are talking about the bit conditional jump instructions. So here this bit, see this one once, bit jumps all operate according to the status of the carry flag in the PSW or the status of any bit addressable locations. We know about the PSW register where we talk about the carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, overflow flag, so on, where we are talking about the single bits. Coming to the bit address locations, you know that the lower 128 bytes has been divided into 3 parts. In the middle one, you can call it as a bit addressable RAM area whose address location is from 20 to 2FH. So that address location also you can use it here. So if you see here, jump if bit is set, that is if B equal to 1. It means whenever the program control executes this instruction and whenever it finds that the address bit as 1, then what happens? It is going to jump to this address and executes the instructions from that memory location. If the condition is false, it executes the next instruction in sequence. Coming to the fourth instruction we have is jump if bit not set. JNB stands for jump if bit not set. Means here B is equal to 0. Okay, whenever the program control comes across this particular instruction and where it finds that the condition is true, that is B is equal to 0, then the program control jumps to this particular address and executes the instructions from that memory location. And whenever it doesn't find the condition as true, like if it finds the condition as false, then it executes the next instruction in sequence. And the last instruction we have is jump if bit set and clear the bit before branching. It means that here what happens here, bit set means bit equal to 1. Okay, once the condition is true, the program control has to jump to this particular address. But before jumping only, the clearing part is done. Means the main thing here is that clearing part is done before the branching. Before branching means before jumping itself. So first it is going to make this particular bit as 0. Then once the condition, first it is going to check is B equal to 1. Okay, like it is jump if bit set. Okay, if the condition, if it is finding that as B equal to 1, then the program control goes to this particular address and executes the instructions from that memory location. But before jumping to that particular address, what it do? It makes this particular bit clear. Okay, the main thing is the clearing part is done before branching. So these are the 5 instructions which are related to bit conditional. Okay, now in the next video I am going to explain about the byte conditional jump instructions. Thank you.